If you got a notification on your Android phone, but just quickly swiped out of it or it disappeared, and you're not necessarily sure what that notification was for, which app it was for, or maybe a message or a text, I'll show you how to find those old notifications and be able to read through all of them. So on your Android phone, the first thing you can do is swipe down from the top left, and there you can see is my notification. So I sent myself a text in WhatsApp. I can open it up and see it, but if I swipe to the left, then it disappears. I'll no longer be able to see it in that notification center. However, I can always access it by taking my finger and swiping up and finding the Settings app on your Android phone. From here, scroll down and tap on Notifications midway down. Scroll down again and tap on Advanced Settings at the bottom. Next, tap on Notification History at the top. And if this is turned off, just turn it on, and you'll be able to see recently dismissed notifications. I can even scroll down and see notifications just for WhatsApp. If I wanted to tap on it, you can see just notifications for specific apps. Keep in mind, if you already had this turned on, then it will record all of those notifications throughout the history. But if it is off, you need to enable it, and it will just start recording or keeping that history going forward. And then of course you can go in here and tap on any of these if you don't want the notifications for those specific apps to stick around. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.